Nice. See that?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Get a trophy, man. Time slip alone.
All right.
Time slip alone. I go fade away.
All right.
Fade
All right. All right.
away. Yeah, man.
Hey, Bossy D. See, Bossy D now commenting up. Bossy D, I said, me not see it, you know.
You know,
Why
see
Bossy
it.
D?
Let me wait time slip. Let me show him the time slip. They have all the good stuff. Up top, up top.
See it there, see it there now, see it there
Everything
now.
connect.
SI.
Yeah, man. Everything plug in and no plug out. You see me?
Yo, I tell
Yeah,
you.
man. They are
Hey,
panic.
I'll be things go on Friday night, you know.
Yeah, man. Be the panic, man. Be there as go on. Another year go on, man. You don't know what's going on. Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
so we have to give a chance to make we know what go on.
Yeah.
You see it, because there's always people say two sides to a story, but some of the time all three sides the story have, you know.
Sometime all four side.
Aye,
Yes,
you don't
man.
see it.
Yes, man.
So
You
tonight,
know the thing go.
yeah man, tonight, your side we're going to hear now, because,
Which
you
is
know,
right.
we need to hear what go on in our place, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Issues. Certain things we
Yeah,
need to talk about. Yeah.
straight.
Yeah.
Now, what you think I know, peeps? You see, tonight, you see, if we all know the hot topic is the time slip
Yeah.
that is in the possession of Mr. Demar Haye, aka Proper Way.
I want them
Proper Way, make us see
go
time
on.
slip.
I want them Yo, right now we have them near, because our guns out, Yes, man,
Our
we have it,
guns
we
out.
have it, we have it, we have it. All different colors we have them either. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So what you are going to know, peeps? You see, if we get 500 live viewers tonight, yeah, man, Proper Way going to prove it, Proper Way going to show the
It's a
time
must,
slip
man.
where everybody,
It's a
where
must.
everybody are war about. You understand? Yes, so 500 live viewers, Bossy D, big up Bossy D. Bossy D went to 400 and enough. I don't even remember the exact figure, but you don't know. 500 live viewers tonight, and Proper Way drop the time slip. Simple as that. So nobody can say the man never prove it, right? Wanna get a chance for the man prove it tonight, so make him prove it. We're there 200 already and we're not even started in a Proper Way.
Yes, man. Numbers up like 7.
Like
Climb
7.
like you want to go up to heaven. Yeah, man.
Hey, you're the next sample man, You're next sample man in a Proper Way. Where you get fear rhyming them from only Jano, no?
Well, you don't know a thing going on. When you are rhyme, man, nobody check your time, man. You say get left behind. You see me? Yes, man.
All right, tell you what, peeps. It is now 13 minutes after 8. We're not going to waste any time. We're going straight into it. Zane, straight into it we'll go. Proper Way.
Yeah.
For all who attack and all who are say and them don't even know who is Proper Way. Just make we know now who is Proper Way.
Well, you don't know originally from Senton, Proper Way. Been racing for quite some time now,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. We used to race most likely in the street and, till them kind of draw we out to the track. Because them say, yo, in streets, anything goes. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So we decided to take it to the track and prove it. Because between me and you, I see a Bossy D make me come a track. Yeah.
How you say?
Yes, man. We don't grow no corner. And the same Bossy D make me come a track because We used to kill it 20 them plenty and make the owner them pocket very empty. You understand?
See.
And him as the 20 boss, him hear about me. Them time them here
Okay.
running 16, them call it Moses Days engine. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So him used to tell me, say, yo, me I waste time with the Moses Days engine that now gonna work. So him always tell me, say, yo, 20 valve me need to go. So me I say right now, me don't really see point in going 20 valve. Because me kill so much of them right now with the Moses Days engine. You know, make no sense. Yeah. And he must say right now, me 16 second, me 16 can't even run 16 second. And he make a big bet. And when you come a track and run it time and do the crime, he never push up.
That's a varsity.
Yeah, man, he does a chat, man. Him like the yap,
So hold on.
Yap.
So it's a long time rivalry.
It's a long
Varsity
time rival, man. Basically, me and Varsity never really have a rival. Me just used to kill 20 them, and because him won't have one of the fastest 20 around, apart from L-Boy, aka John Jogred. Yeah, because L-Boy set a record of 13.7.
Yeah.
All motor. Varsity, him have film thing in a heavier chassis. So, I think him would have run at the 14s. But me used to beat a lot of 20 valve, because as I said, me used to send them go do the time and me do the crime. Yeah.
So we're looking back as far as how long now this rivalry been going on?
I would say from about 2017, somewhere about there. Yeah.
Non-stop rivalry.
Non-stop rival.
Yeah, on the track, off the track, in chat room.
Off the track, in chat room, back and forth. You see me?
Why, oh
boy. I'm still here. You understand?
You're still here?
Yeah, man. That's why you hear him say me heart for dead. He's like Tom and Jerry or whatever you want to call it. You know what thing go? Yeah, man.
Zid.
Yeah, man.
So, all right. Before we touch the Varsity saga,
yeah,
make we go a little bit now down in a history. Like about what year you started racing, and how did you know, what sparked that interest in drag racing?
All right. Well, first and foremost, from I was young and growing up, I used to play a lot of video games. Need for Speed, Gran Turismo, all of them things there. Yeah, me have a brother named Sector, which me call him the Lab Master. Yeah, one big up Sector same way. And first and foremost, before me even go any further, I take time out to big up my sponsor, Glen Auto Parts, Main Street, Ocherias. Yeah.
See.
Yeah, man. He make it possible right now for the Z.
I kill people and
history. Yeah, man, because right now, you know, his Z coming like a coronavirus, you know. Yeah, man, he have deadly. He deadly, man. So you see right now, them need to just straighten up the immune system. Now, what come with a weak immune system. Yeah, them have to just straighten it up. But yeah, we are raised from way back. We used to play video games, and from video games to the first car I won was a 1993 Toyota Turbo Starlet. Yeah, and when I bought that car, I didn't get that car with the turbo and everything connect. I bought it from a police guy. He gave me like the turbo and the intercoolers and stuff in the car, but they weren't connected. He was running it natural. He said he didn't want the speed and he take them off.
Okay.
So at the time when I saw that car, I like the color, I like the rims, and I just snap and I grab it. Yeah. And from that, we just decided to do some upgrade to it. Markland. I was introduced to Markland by a friend of mine, and we decided to make Markland set it up. And from that, I say, yo, give me 1 7 pounder boost. Me no want no more than that. Yeah, man. Me say 7 pounder boost. Me no want no more. Just a little, yeah, just a little. Me say just that no one here. And Markland laugh and he said to me, say, don't worry yourself, man. Everybody will be boost car for the same thing they say when they just a start out. And 2 weeks after that, we come to him and we say, me want the car and the blow valve sound sweeter than my own. Inside 7 pound you depart, but you want 10 pound. And we say, how about 11? And the teacher said, all right, give you a minute. And the teacher just knock up the actuator and rev it 2 times and say, all right, try that. Go to the road, man. Machine sweet, man. Smile the way on the outside, man. May I tell you? Yes, man.
So the boost life name sweet, man.
The boost life was sweet, you know. The boost life was sweet.
So what was the transition now?
Basically, I was running a stock setup, and then that stock turbo had max out, and I decided to go with a TDO4. I purchased that TDO4 from Ziggy Nurse. You know, the single cam boss at the moment as we speaking, you know? Yeah, man. So, and Markland did the upgrade, and we spend almost a whole night, one night I build the manifold feet and daylight catchery. Yeah, man, daylight catchery, and we start out the machine, and from that, we start race a park scene. So as I said, it was most likely street race we used to do. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so
after the Starlet now.
After the Starlet, I had the Starlet for quite some time because, as I said, when I get the Starlet, everything wasn't inside the Starlet. So I used to purchase like everything that I need for that car from Glenn. Like Glenn used to bring in like everything we could need to complete the car to make it like back to factory look. So, you know, yeah, man, I've been supporting Glenn for quite some time because he always give a reasonable price as youth coming up, you know?
Yeah.
So I from way back there, so where I come from, you see it? Yeah, man.
So after the Starlet, you see?
Yeah.
What was the next project?
After the Starlet, basically this Corolla. I was driving a Honda for a while, but the Honda was from a girlfriend at the time. Okay.
So you never really messed around with it?
No, the Honda was automatic, F20 inside it. It was one of them Accord.
Cruising?
Yeah, just cruising.
Cruising?
Them things they never really
okay.
You understand? You know them say, you drive Honda, you get whole heap of girl, but, you know...
Yeah.
We don't need the Honda. Yeah, we never need the Honda to do all of that.
No, is that a deal with it?
Why, right up, I want to tell you, say, you know, we never really have to drive the Honda to get them because you see the way we deal with the thing, the proper way.
Yeah.
When I drop a night, drop a day, the girl them a lean back and rock away. Girl them always a flow away, man.
All right, my boss.
Yes, man. So, after the F20 now, basically, I had a friend from England, and I dropped him back at the airport one evening. And then on the way back from the airport now, I reached Duncan Strelani, and I saw the flatty. And I break up because there was a for sale sign on the back of the flatty, and I break up on the roadside. I'm saying, no, man, the flatty look clean, man. And when we sell the Starlet, to be honest with you, the Starlet was not one of the cleanest car. After I have it for a while and realize what a clean car should look like a min car where nobody work, you know, none of them things there.
Sure.
I decided that the next car that I want, even if the color burn out, as long as a straight panel, and something like that I want. So I pray for that.
Proper way.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are tuned to that already, you know.
Well, you say you got climb up and a pile.
So what this now? For peeps just joining in.
Yeah.
If proper way say if him get 500 live viewers tonight, him drop the time slip, him show away the time slip. I want to see the time slip, you know. So you understand?
Yeah, man, the time
anyway,
slip.
Don't show proper.
Them not have to worry about the time, because even if they don't get the time, we still have to do the crime. You see me? But them all get the time. And when we say time, we not talk about time, we're going apart.
Yeah.
Yeah. We are talking about the teeth. See how EKJ, they kiss off in teeth. When I kiss your teeth, brother, you brush that.
No more than that. You fit take when teeth, they make it no teeth left in a proper. That's
but you know, say me tell him to push out. Yeah, man. Me tell him to push out. You don't know why man tell me say. The man say me fi go feel 12 second breeze. The man run 12 second probably about 4 years back. Right now, the fastest breeze theme car smell right now. I breeze will come from the dyno fan.
Yeah.
Yeah, him not know if him can run back that. The only breeze him feel right now for that car, the man, and the breeze will come from the dyno fan about a month ago. You don't know if he must
So
see
let
back
me
at the
ask
time
you.
there.
Let me ask you this now.
Yeah.
If you're ready, if I'm ready.
We're ready long time.
All right.
Ready long time.
All right.
Yeah,
I hope EKJ is hearing that. Yeah.
A runner, man. He's a runner, you know. Yeah, man. I want my biggest undercover fan, you know. Yeah, man. I feel like him a go Z, you know. I feel like him a go Z. RR, big
In
up
under
yourself, you
there.
know. You see, you know, RR. Big up yourself, you know, me G. Yes, man. Man with the super Z.
Yo, we soon talk about all like specs too, you know. We
Yeah,
get it
man.
there, man. Yeah, so you say
First
you come
part,
from Mobile now.
PRD squad, live, big up, big up. Yeah, man. Flatty Society and the
Oh,
whole works.
by the way, I have to say big up before we forget, big up to a sponsor that came on and said, listen, I want to see proper way upon the live, you know. So we're gonna sponsor some mobile credit for proper way, you know. Zine,
Yeah, man. No respect, man.
BT Max Power.
Max Power. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Out of Brownstone.
No
Yeah, man.
respect,
So big
man.
up for the mobile credit. Yeah, so we can the live tonight. I want all about, you know.
Mm-hmm.
All right, proper. See, back to the story now. So when I come from Mobile, you spot the flatty.
Yeah, man. Me I come from Mobia and me spot the flatty on the roadside. So me decide to pull over. So me pull over now. Me call the number on the glass and a general answer. Me I say, yeah, you know, me kind of like that flatty I do. And tomorrow, I really my birthday because it was on the 11th of September.
Mm-hmm.
I saw the flatty and my birthday is on the 12th. So, I asked him how much he want feet and him say, 380 man look feet. See me? And I tell him, say, for right now, if him can give me it for 350, consider him giving me a birthday gift. You understand?
You work your brain for the money, man.
Yeah, I work with brain because, to be honest, me sell starlet and me get more than that fee starlet and the money went in there because, you know, back in them time, me run jet ski and, yeah, the money when I flow way more than how it flow, you know, you see me?
Zid.
Yeah, man. So, anyway, him say, boy, him wife, they home still because him do Jota. So, him say, all right, him will call him wife and make him wife come out the door and come open up the car so me can view it. But before the car open, me know say, I hit that. Yeah, man. So when the wife come out and thing,
yeah.
When the wife come out and open up the car, and me looking at it, the car does have a lot of dust in it, but you can see say people hardly traveling at it. Clean. And me crack the bonnet and see all 5A and that, the whole shape 5A. Everything intact. Me say, well, me get the key, man, and me start the car. Only thing me could hear are the injector, them like a tweeter. Quiet. And me I say, yo, I hit this.
Virgin. Yeah.
Yeah, man. So me call back the brother and say, yeah. As I tell him before about the price thing, I'm gonna need it, you know? And he say, well, him up on the road, so give him some time to reach home, and when he reach home, he will get back to me. So anyway, I say, all right, General, I'm head off back to Ocherios. Hours ago, me not get no phone call. 8 o'clock past, me not get no phone. I'm going to tell you about that from after 6. And my mind just me say, my mind dip on the flat here, and I say, yo, me not get no call, and one man say, I wait about 9:30. And 9:30, me go and ring him back. And the man say, you know, so General, me still up on the road though. Still up on the road, so give me some time to reach home. And I say, all right, General, just think about it. He say, I have a reason with his wife first. So I say, all right, I'll give him some time. So I turn on TV and I did go and watch some movie and thing. And time I go, and I watch it time. I just watch it time and I not get no call. Until about after 11, going up to 12. And this, when I tell you, might sound strange, but it is the reality.
Yeah.
See me? After 11 going up to 12, I can tell you, I watch a TV and I switch it to a different channel because I get bored at the movie. And I switch it to a different channel. I want preaching and go on. And I say, I listen some of it. And the pastor man start preach and the pastor man I say, don't worry. God's got it for you. Don't worry. And I say, why go on here so? So uninteresting. I mean, they listen it, you know. And he say,
he come like a you pastor talk to.
He come like him talk to me. He tell me, say, just relax.
Yeah.
Don't worry. The car that you've been praying for, you're gonna get it.
I lie.
I swear to God, as me sit down here so. And me say, as God shine his sun, my brother.
Yeah.
You see when he touch, a minute past 12, and my phone that a ring. Brother, me say, honestly man, me say it was like a miracle. And my phone
you
that
know what
a
you
ring.
mean?
And the brother that when me a call how much time for the car, call me a minute after 12 and say, big boss, you can come to the car tomorrow. Happy birthday. Me say, yo,
Master.
Yo, me say, me get weak right away, man. Me I tell you. Joy.
Yeah.
Yo, me I tell you. Yo, it was a great feeling. Right now, me I go back in at the same feeling when me feel at night there.
Yeah, me know what you mean.
Yeah.
Me know what you mean. Me know what you mean.
Overwhelmed.
It's like the happiest.
Hey, me couldn't wait for the break.
You couldn't even sleep.
Hey, me couldn't even sleep, man. Hey, me couldn't wait for the break, man. I don't tell a worst part about it, you know.
Yeah.
I tell a worst part, you know. You see, following day, when I'm in birthday, me they have a wagon on the road I run, you know. Yeah, man, me they have a red plate wagon on the road at the time. So me they have a driver I run it. So, anyway, the morning, about after 8, so, me get a phone call. The phone call was coming from my dad's phone. So, me and my father now share the same birthday. You understand? So, me I say, all right, and my father call me and say, boy, happy birthday. I want to tell you, say, when me answer the phone, and my driver that where I drive the car, I call me, I tell me, say, boy, you want to know, say, police have the car. So, me I say, what you mean? I say, yeah, man, police hold on upon the car. So, me I say, when? He must say from yesterday. I say, big man, and you just a call me? I say, today I'm earth strong and I get a call off of my father's phone and me I look for hear happy birthday from my father. And a different story, my brother.
Mash up Med's business.
Mash up Med's business, man. A whole day me dey on the road up and down. That's all the brother start calling me and say, if me no want the car again. And when me start telling him what I go on, him say, all right, him understand. Angle my business. Yeah, man, me have some money come out of my pocket that the day, the man. Pay a record fee and, you know, get back the car and the whole works. Yeah, man, about in after 4, I go to 5. Me have a police bridging, and me and him decide, say, me go drive down there. And we go link the brother right down there and we go in a one little shop on the roadside there. So one little hot thing. And we go count out the funds and the brother say, yo, see machine there. And we come up with it. Yeah, man. When we come up with the car and touch, when we come up with the car, man, and touch out with the next day. When we come at Shell gas station there, so, which is now Ruby's.
Ruby's,
yeah. Because we decide, so we are go up in the hills, go watch 2 races a while go on. You see me? When we touch up there, so man, I something that from run a grape on there. Jabby. Jabby walk out, that a Jabby used to race back in the days. Jabby walk over and Jabby see the car.
Hold on, proper. Hold on, 1 second, the proper. All right, I see somebody in the comments that try to dictate how we're doing the live. I don't mean to be rude, but if you're watching the live and you're not enjoying the vibe, feel free to exit. All right, please. Everybody not going to come with the same story. Everybody express themselves differently. Seeing? So if you're not, if you have an objection to the way on which we're doing the live, please, no disrespect, but you can exit. All right? Yeah, man. Please. Cool. Now, before we even go back in night,
Yeah,
Papa, I
man.
just want to say, big up to the sponsors of tonight's live. Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, Lubit, WAP Performance, Squickly Wrecking and Haulage, Boosting, Zidage Performance, Massive Auto Parts, and Kaizen Wrecking. Yeah, man. So, as I said, peeps, no disrespect to nobody. Everybody's story different. So, you have an option. You can sign out, no disrespect. You understand? All right, proper.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So back to business now. We're there 330 something viewers.
Yeah, man.
You know, so the vibe are going good. I'm enjoying it. So
Yeah, man.
the road.
Brother.
The road, bro.
So anyway, with the pan pump, because we say we are going to turn up in the hill, and Jabby come on and Jabby see the car, and Jabby say, yo, I want the cleanest, flattest, since if it's long as well. And the man say, yo, who for car this? Because them time the crowd around the car. And I say, yo, am my one? And the man say, yo, just name me price. Any amount of money you want for the car, me a give it for it. Me want the car you have to buy. And me I say, boy, me not even know him like that still. And me I say, boy, that not gonna work, you know. That can't work. It's a birthday gift list, you see me? And we come a long way away for the car. This car now left me. And the man say, yo, any amount of money at all, you need it. And me I say, yo, it not gonna happen. So just better, yeah, just forget it. It not gonna happen. Yeah, man.
So hold on, you know. From that moment, you say you bought it with a 5A.
5A,
right?
yeah. 5A automatic.
Oh, did Matic too?
Yeah, it was automatic.
Okay, so why, I mean, missing enough for the flatty man, them, you know, I got stance and car show settings, not really speed vibe, but, you know, cruising. So what make you know, Mr. Proper Way, decide to go speed?
Well, the speed was done in our blood from morning, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
The speed was done in our blood from morning, but when me had the turbo starlet, me used to mash up turbo often. You see me? And then me not working at the tourist industry, and more time me have 1 and 2 people when me want to carry go places, cause and me used to say let's go places. So me used to carry people go places, and me decide say, yeah, what that little car now go really whole for whole. Although when the cute people them used to excited about the speed and everything. So me decided to get a 4-door car. But the speed was always in me. I always want something to have some fun.
You want a machine the way you can have little fun. And at the same time you can, you know,
eat some food same way.
Eat some food straight.
Yeah, because you know the thing already. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we know the thing now. So you just a flat height.
So from then, me get a down the line, me get a swap, a gearbox swap. I get a 4-speed gearbox swap. And then after that now, from the 4-speed gearbox swap, me start have a little bit more fun. Put on exhaust on the pipe up a ratty there, for walkers. And from there so, me get a 5-speed box. And from me get the 5-speed box, and this so me start mess around. Me get a 4A GE 1616 head, and me take off the 5A head and drop on that panny run it with the same 5A piston from the lower half. And me start do it thing in the street there. So, and man, I say a waste of time. Man used to say a waste of time. That don't make no sense. A 20 run a place.
You did ever do a time? Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You did ever do a time do on that setup?
Yeah, man. I did a time on that setup. So, after I decided to go to the track, after Bossy D draw me out and say, yo, street race not make no sense.
Yeah.
Because you need a time slip. If you're not a time, you're not say nothing.
Yeah, so yeah. If you don't have a ticket, you don't have a chance.
Yeah. Me say, here I go on. Me I come down a track and me I show you, say, the machine capable of run just like how 20 them a run. And the first pass on the track, that car did a time of 15.7.
Yeah.
The first pass on the track, and that was stock ECU. And then a mechanics, I adjust the tire pressure mechanics pass, and it do 15.6. A mechanics pass, and it do 15.5.
Wow.
And it just go down to 15.4. Was the best me get out of the stock ECU. Yeah. And then after now, me decide to go under program. And me tune out the under program.
So me know when the man them go under program, you know, because they want bust be a shot, you know. At that you get the under program for man.
Well, me never really into too much I shot. Me just want a little bit more speed. Because at the end of the day, me just approve a thing out of the 16-16. Me just want to know, say, yo, any engine capable of doing some damage, as long as you put your mind to it. You understand? Because parts did it for everything. So me decided to go under ECU, and from the under ECU, the car tune and make 136 horsepower. And I did a time of 15.1 with a 2.2 60 foot. Yeah, 15.1. I mean, generally, they must say, wait, a machine proper way have, man. If him if him have a shitty 60 foot there, that 16-16 they can run in a 14. Yeah, man.
So you never get it down to 14s?
No, I never get the time to get it down to 14s because right after that, I didn't do a relocate to Negril. Yeah. From this Rio to Negril Rio. So I was basically based in Negril working down that side. And yeah, I had some problems on the road. One day I rush a 20 valve bread up on the road, and some reason I pull out in tripe at one point, and then I see him start gain for me. And he fly around me. And I tell her, I rev the car, I try to keep up with him. And I find the car a cut power. And I say, no man, something not right, man. Something not right. So anyway, I decide to take it easy and go in. Because when I time the car shut off for me, I say, no man, I try to start it back and something sound off. Car not start, and I say, no man, this don't sound good. So when we finally get it started now, I just keep it on a steady RPM and I drive go in. And when we finally get a chance to pull down the car, we realize the car had jump timing. Because we put the in order to put the under management on the car, you have to well on the 4AG distributor gear and the undershaft. So basically where the welding was, the welding let loose and the car start retard and add timing while I was driving. So that caused the car to detonate. Yeah. So I ended up have to replace some pistons. Because I was running silver top pistons at the time and I decided to put in some black top pistons in it. And I replaced the piston.
Me here Rennie and Tuggy with that talk, you know. So you did go brr.
No, he didn't go brr. Because I been with Nitrous. No, he never go brr. He never make that sound, because that sound the other one good sound, you know. Yeah, that sound the other one good sound. Yeah. So after that now, I set up by the car and thing the car drive, and I work one day and get a phone call in my lunchtime from Glenn's Auto. Boss himself called me because I had the sponsor on my car at that time. From I was running 16-16. And him called me and him say, proper way, what time you left work? And I say about 4 or 5 so. And him say, all right, check me a shop. And I say, all right, no problem. And I left for the evening, I drive go up to the shop. And I drive go up to the shop, him say, I have a 2ZZ in the so, you know. But I didn't care them to drop in of it, personally for myself. He said, I have everything feed. Fully complete gearbox, axle, everything. Cluster, everything, all the information. You can share the mileage on everything. He said, yo, that I'm a sponsor to you, you know. Why you have that engine there? So I saw me go to ZZ. Just like that. Just like that.
No, man, we have to big up your sponsor, man. So, I wish enough more sponsors out there could have look out for the youths them like that and support them. Yeah.
Glenn really make it possible right now. So Bossy I say, yo, he make me go to ZZ. And the man when me drive down with the 20 valve when my engine detonate that night, they say him blow up the 16-16 and make me go on 2ZZ. But the whole truth behind it, my sponsor decided to give me a 2ZZ because I take out a driving engine and put down to drop in this engine. So it wasn't like say my car was down at the time when we decided to go 2ZZ.
Okay.
Tell me long time. Say proper way, 2ZZ are the way. Yeah, man.
So long enough.
RR 2ZZ long time. Long before Bossy even put in 2ZZ.
Okay,
But
but
RR
nobody
actually
near
won.
really,
Yeah. Because
nobody near really push it like that.
yeah, RR now him know say the engine can do damage. And him a tell me to go 2Z a long time.
So what make it so stubborn in proper way?
I'm not really stubborn, you know. You see, the thing is now, me as a man, my life to prove things. Can you hear them talk about prove it? Yeah.
Prove it.
My life to prove things. So you see, when you tell me, say, the engine when me a run, no make no sense. Me I go tell you, say, yo, push out your car and let the car do the talking.
Yeah. Then you will know.
Yeah. Because back then when me I run a 16, Rennie, I were one of the biggest rival. Yeah, man. So he go tune and come. I say, yes. He might kill his 16. He never went his way. Sometimes we neck and neck, I go to get track, and sometimes he beat me and thing, but it was always a fight. And them time me I run stock computer on the 16 same way.
So proper way.
Yeah.
Is it that you prefer the stock computer then? Because alright, you know what? Hold on, I could save that question a little bit. Hold on, one second. I just want to say a big shout out again to tonight's sponsors of our 876 Streets Instagram Live Racers in Quarantine, Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, Lubit Limited, WAP Performance, Quickly Wrecking and Haulage, Boosting, Zidage Performance, Massive Auto Parts, and Kaizen Wrecking. Please be sure to support our sponsors on social media, all right? Yeah, man. All right, bro. So, how we reach now? We reach the 2ZZ part, you know?
Yeah, man. So.
No, man. You know, say me no want we touch the Z's. All right, you want? Because the time soon up, but we're going to run it till the time up.
Yeah, man.
We're going to run it till the time up. So, yeah, 2ZZ drop in and all.
Yeah, so 2ZZ drop in. So, at the time, Markland did the swap. You know, Markland had a 12-second boss for Ochi. Yeah, and man, they carry home the most trophy. Very competitive racer. So, Markland McFarlane, big up yourself, same way. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Same.
And Oral is the man who wire the car the proper way. I wanted RR to wire the car, but he never really have the time. So, him say, being as him the town, and Oral the down the side, yeah. Right, because you see, RR him always advise me some good advice. So I say, all right, I make him wire the car, but he was a bit busy at the time. So I use my proper way down this time.
You know, say who that me just see comment in a chat.
Who comment? I Bossy D.
Z Bossy now.
Z Boss, big up yourself. Bossy D.
Big up Bossy D.
What now? Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Yeah. They say Markland do this up.
Yeah, man. Markland drop in engine. It was a one-day thing. The engine drop in. The engine drop in the Saturday. Car wire up the Sunday. And the Monday, me bring the car to the guy who do the exhaust. And we get the exhaust sort out so the car could basically drive around and finish complete some other stuff on it, you know? Yeah, like get the AC gas up on them thing there, you know?
Okay.
So the car wasn't really fully, completely done wired at the time. The guy just wired so it could have started so I could basically do the exhaust because the exhaust that come on the tools easy, it cannot just bolt on and work like that. So I had to do a little bit of modification to the exhaust in order for it to work in that car.
Seen. So after that, what was the next big move? Jam West?
After that at Jam West, man, the engine dropped in right in at the end of October. And Jam West was basically November. I think it was like 27 and November the 26th. One out of them two there.
Somewhere down there.
Somewhere there. So, right then and there now, we decide to all right, get the car up and running and get familiar with it. Because I hear about the Z, them and I hear say, yo, Z, them and no plating. And Bossy tell me, say, they now feel the speed. So I say, all right, I can see what I can ring out tight. See me? Yeah, so I decide to get the car complete and finish up and take it to the track and race the 26, 27. Went out there, the first pass I make with the car was 14.7. 14.7 on street tires. It was the first pass the car make. And I say, all right, them time they carry the tire them having like 32 pounds a year. So I say, all right, I'd run down the tire pressure a little bit and go back out there and see what can go on. Next run, 14.5, street tires. And I go and drop the tire pressure them some more and launch the car a little bit better and car did at a time of 14.2. So right then and there, I see that the car had the potential to run a faster time.
Okay.
You understand? Now, me already do some research on the previous Zs them that was down there running before. Street and track tire, them best time was 14.5. So
let me ask this. Was it that meet? Was it that meet that you ran the 13 or was it the meet after?
No, this meet is the first time out with the Z. So, right now, me one of the last one to come out with the Z on the track and the first one to come up with a trophy. So, me create history with my
that's the November meet?
That's
the November meet?
Yeah.
All right.
Engine dropping in less than a month and I win out the 14-second class and come up. So, basically, I did a time of 14.2 on street tires, regular street tires. While the others them went down a track run, Bossy and everybody, Frisky, Sanchez, the whole of them. I struggle.
They must struggle.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
Struggle. So I come down there and show them how you deal with the proper way. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So we run a time of 14.2 on street tires. And then when it come on to finals now, I decide to put on the slicks them. Because I went down there with slicks.
Yeah.
So I put on the slicks them in the final and I was running the slicks them on like 18 pounds a year. Because I didn't really want to break out a 14-second class. You understand? So when I go out there with the slicks, it was just to take me out of the whole leave the rest of man them and go up at top.
And go break up at top.
Yeah. And that me do for the whole time. Everything come out dead. Car after car after car. 2 ZZ come out, me drive through it. And I just saw me beat them and I go on.
So for the first meet out with the Z.
First meet out, yeah.
You dominate the 14-second class.
Dominate the 14-second
and come on with the trophy.
Victorious. The first two ZZ to run and come out with a trophy. No, none of the 2 ZZ them have a trophy. None of them.
You serious?
None of them.
You're sure about that, Papa?
Do not have a first place trophy in 2 ZZ. I don't know if he get a second place trophy at some point, but none of them have a first place trophy. Neither 14 second or 13 second.
Or even 15.
15
not
second
even 15.
There was this guy.
No, I mean with this head, you know.
Look at this guy called Marky. He used to run a blue Ronex back then. That was way before Bossy or anybody don't start run Z. The Ronex actually come with a 2ZZ. Him say him win 15-second class at Vernon Field. I'm not sure how much years are back, but yeah. But since Bossy make the Z known, say now feel for speed, the hungry for speed.
Right.
Everybody will follow him and go Z. Nobody now a trophy first place, including Bossy PZ. And me are the only man use the Z and take home it.
So you come set it then for the Z?
Yeah man, me set the trend for the Z. See trophy.
Right.
So we can make them see the trophy. Big up Kenty. Yeah. Big up Kenty Racing. Big up Glenn's Auto. Don't know proper way. When I drop on I drop a day. Glenn Auto parts all the way. For me Z.
All right.
Yeah man.
All right. So first time out with the Z. Carry home the trophy. I mean that must be a real an awesome feeling.
It's a joy.
Remember the evening when I come round and come link you know, in the pits and boy, I tell you, I just beer teeth me as if from my the corner, you know.
You know what thing about it's a joy, man. You know say,
man.
You put in a hot engine where everybody are talk about and you come out with it and you come up with something with it. It's a great feeling. The paper alone don't make sense. Because you know after a while them times it a feed out. You can't even see what they on them. Most of the time, if you want to keep record of them, you have to take a picture of them and keep it.
I true that. And then now, not only the trophy, you know, All the cash, man, come home
And
with
the
it now.
cash, 35
Yeah.
grand in a hand.
What?
Yeah.
Yo, although you not buy me a juice out, it's still in a proper, but big up yourself, you know.
Don't worry yourself, man. The next time out that track, we are come up with the next trophy. Me now tell you our class. I mean, no, me now come last.
So you win the 14-second class.
Yeah, man. First time out with it. That's November.
All right.
Yeah,
what
man.
kind of, because the whole heap of thing happened since November and now we in April, you know.
Yeah.
Zine, you know, some whole heap of voice note and, you know, some
Yeah.
whole heap of call out and some whole heap of things are going on, you
Bag
know.
of things. A bag of things.
Yeah.
One
All
man
right. There
against
was
the world, man. Yeah, man.
now there is this time slip that has been causing much controversy.
Yeah.
I realize. Some people saying it's back wheel, it's stage rid. Some people say
them a try to joke the time slip, man. Them a try to joke.
Them a
the
try
time
draw it
slip.
out.
Yeah, so them a say everything in them power. You see me, I say especially one J. Yeah, man. Spinners are the one where come out with a voice note about yo at the back wheel of stage kind of down there. And Spinners, I don't think he was even a test and tune. And then Jay now him take the voice note and start pass it around. And then Jacko boy hear it and start run with it.
All right, so let me ask proper way. So that's a rumor. That is a rumor, nothing like that.
A rumor, nothing like that. Stage with this back wheel.
Right? No back wheel stage around here.
Spaceship was there. Spaceship was there. And Blue was there. Otherwise known as Nikolai. Yeah, man.
Okay.
So,
okay. Well, for all the persons in the chat room now saying, prove it. Proper Way did say that if he gets 500 live viewers tonight, he will show us the time slip. So, you have the power in your hands right now, right? I guess it's the only opportunity you give them, right? Proper Way, to show them the time slip.
Or if not, them can come and check. We show them in person. Whoever wants to, we can show them in person. Because a whole heap of people see the time slip so far. Spoon see the time slip. Jacko see the time slip. A whole heap of people see time slip. So, them just want the time slip to see what I go on. Because there was another rumors about a 1.5 60 foot. So basically, them say, yo, it is impossible for the car pull that 60 foot. You understand? So that's one of the next thing. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's just rumors and rumors.
No, actually, you know, that same day that I run the 13-1. When I went back out, there after I run the 13-1 after I let the car cool down, because I tell you the clutch was slipping. So after, when I run the 13-1, the clutch has slipped. And I say, all right, I make the car cool down, and then after I go back out. So after as I say, when we run the first half, I run 14 something, the car when I run. Because me didn't have the slicks them too tough. And then when I want the slicks them and go up to a line, the marshal now him have me on the line there, so I wait for the next opponent to come up in the next lane. You understand? So me did a wait, and to me the slicks then cool up. So
them get cold.
Yeah. So when we go on launch and then the slicks then tough now, the car wheel up and lick RPM. And me go on early shift and the car drop out a lift. You understand? And then it come back up in a second gear and me go down and the car run on 14 something. So by the time I come round after that run, Blue saw the car and he stepped to the car and he said, Proper Way, how sticks them so tough, my boss? And I say, you know, say 18 pound in them door. And I say, 18 pound? Big man, not even look a wrinkle. And I say, maybe now just take time, let them down step by step. He said, big man, how much power the car make? He say, car make 180 horsepower. He say, how much foot pound attack? He say, 159. He say, big man, you do? Let it down to about 10 pound. Get a tire pressure tester. And I go to bam, and I give him the pressure tester and I him let it down himself. And I just the two tire them to me. And I know Blue as a veteran in the racing, so I not listen to him. You see me? So by the time we go to bam and we adjust the tire pressure them, and him say, all right, come in. Ship when sit down right on the wall there, so. And Blue goes to bam and him throw some water and say, light it. And I just light it and warm the tire them. See me? And I light it and warm him. Them say, all right, go up on the line. And the marshal call me up. And then, you know, the little fist thing when goes up. And I say, I stop right here. So the car was staged properly. So all this staged back wheel, foolishness. Just the time slip they want to see. So anyway, I made the run. And when I made the run, I go around. And a young man went and pick up the time slip and bring it come. And by the time he bring it come and it's a proper way, the machine a run. Because I was the only one went down the track. When I made that, when I made the 13-second pass, there was no other racer on the track at the time.
Okay, so for all of the persons who are asking, what if it is somebody else's time slip?
No, nobody time slip. Me alone go down the track. So anyway, after me go down the track now and pick up the time, after we pick up the time slip, me go to bam and put in a blue and him say to ship, say, ship, look here, the machine are running now. And ship say, me feel say have 12s tonight, maybe one high 12s or so. And him say, yo, come we see if we can lower the time. Because the machine sound good. And I say, but yo, remember say a stock clutch me running and stock pressure plate you know, and it in a slip hard in a 4th gear a while ago for go up, you know. And him say, all right, here we do. Make it cool off. So I go to bam and park the car for about say half an hour. I'm decide time I'll get something drink. And at the same time, Joopy see me now that are from Joopy work with Markland. In my Markland when I head down to get some food or so. And Joopy say, proper way, you know, your car asleep. That no must hold up, you know. And I say, yeah, man, I make it cool off and go back out there and see what can go on. So the next, after I get the drink and I come back and decide to go back out on the track. One, to tell them and go, Seymour was just going out at the same time.
Right.
You understand? So that run, me and Seymour go down the track. The car run 13.6, Seymour run 12.2. So the car did not run back the 13.1 because of the slipping. I wasn't able to going back low 13s. You understand? And we decided, all right, you know, park the car. Because it's a good look. So same time now, after me run the 13.1, Bossy D went go after go run. And I think he run a time of a 12.3 or 12.4. So by the time he come around now, spaceship at the time sitting there and spaceship said to him, say, Bossy D, why joggings? It's the proper way, I know. We don't have a thing for cycle for a long time, you know, so we can't cycle it now, you know. Boss just run 13.1, you know. What you say? Push out. And he must say, boy, at 12.4 me just run, you know. 12.4 me just run. So me kind of don't know it up there so. But the 12.4 was a nitrous run. So Boss basically have a 13-second car with him program panning. 13.1, 13.2.
So let me ask you this properly.
Yeah.
Why is it so hard for people to believe that you run 13.1? Why is this big all
right, here we go on now.
Query.
You see, because Bossy D claims say him a the Z boss.
Yes.
And him go down there and him a running theme car and him go to out and my car and a half got like Bossy D. The only thing me do is take off the passenger seat them out tight and take off the back bumper at times. Yeah.
So
everything there for my car.
Is it a spec? I realize that there's this thing where people talk about taking off the back bumper. Wait, proper way. Well, a 401 viewers a day in a proper way. It look like the people that really want to see time slip.
It time slip there, man.
It look like they really want to see the time slip in a proper way.
Yeah, man. Time slip there, man.
All right, so proper way is 500 live viewers in a peeps. And I'm sure with the time slip, 415 and going up.
Yeah,
all right. So yeah.
The back bumper basically trap the ear, so you can't hold back the car.
Okay.
So that's why you see most of the car them having the wind diffuser in the back bumper. So me decide to cut out. Yeah, me decide to buy some wind diffuser and cut out my back bumper. You understand?
Yeah. Some of the time you take off even the trunk though.
Alright. Me never take off the trunk from here run Z. Never. When me take off the trunk at one point when me run 16.
Okay.
Yeah. That before me even put on the under program on the 16. Yeah.
Okay.
So since me run Z, trunk never come off.
Okay. So back to the story now. So because Bossy, you're saying that because Bossy D didn't do it with a stock computer.
Right.
Everybody is saying that you can't do it
can't do it because Bossy
Oh.
say him and the Z boss. You understand?
Okay.
So if Bossy wanted to see the time slip right then and there, spaceship at the time slip and I say, yo, see it, you know, proper way around 13-1, you know, push out. Him saying, you know, in my class, there are 12 seconds in there right now. So you
think Bossy D, did I make excuse for run you?
Of course, Bossy D know say a murder. He know that. He know say me afraid. He know that. Because me go down in him place go for him, and although me go down they go lose. That's when me run all 16. That's before me.
No man, I all thing them man.
Yeah.
A different spec you run now no proper.
Yeah.
Different league
different spec. So if a man go step to you, we don't little old Camel then call it. Moses Days engine when you run your big bad 20 and you're famous. Because when you go down in the whole of them did it. And I can tell you say the whole of them turn fool. Because they never expect me. Because none of them ain't know say me a come. Give me a minute, let me get the charger.
Like a thief in the night, man.
Like a thief in the night, me pop up on them down there, man. Yeah, man. And when me pop up on them down there, I say, yo, are you me come find now?
Yeah.
The man say, yeah, see proper way there. And I say, yeah, man, push out, man, because you say, push out. You understand?
Yeah.
And indeed, they spin round and thing until him and the man them in the garage catch up. Him and Sanchez and the rest of the man them in the garage catch up and him and say, yo, a 20 valve, the man saying kill any 20, you know, the man saying afraid of no 20 and the whole of them here run 20. So I hold away war. The man say, no, are you a man come for? So none of them never want.
So Bossy D, they run from the war.
What do you mean if him a run from the war? The whole of the viewers them were in the group with the right now. Me keep on a message in our group and me send all videos and say, yo, see it ya? Right, a Bossy D put me there and I tell him to push out and he not push out. Bossy D a coward, man. Bossy D only jump to one, sure.
Alright. Cause I could get straight to it now because the thing I get serious now. 413, 15 viewers like them really want to see the time slip. So let me ask you this. What can fans see a showdown? We're not sure when at the next meet yet. We're not sure what go on yet. But
right now, two are go on, you know. You better we do it before all that thing are clear up.
No, I think no. Make we wait. We go wait. Because here we are
machine ready.
We want, remember no, Bossy D say no. Only a slow car can beat a fast car in the streets. So you see what you got a big yard now. Everything level up, you know. Nobody can say this and nobody can say that. Is it?
Here one problem, man. He get so much lick in the street. If you get off drive in the street, at that time problem. He left the street so like, yo, you have to know where you come from to know where you go. You can't forget where you come from. You understand? At the streets make him know me.
Alright, watch this proper. Zane?
Yeah.
Any plans of running Nitrous in the future? Whether far or near?
Close. The next meet now go normal. That's why I tell him, say right now, all of us say they want to see the car come back a track and run 13-1. If it's possible, when we can go run it right now with the stock computer before, anybody can make the arrangement. But you see, for the next race meet we come up, me can't promise nobody say car come back down the normal like how we left down a track. Yeah.
Proper way. You know, me notice about you. You're a youth where you're determined.
Yeah, man.
You see earlier upon the live, when you're there down at 300, enough money in a comment, I say, oh, proper way, now reach 500. And you know which part you reach now. You almost pass out Bossy, you know.
427 counted.
430 now.
430.
You're pretty much there now. Bossy, I think Bossy did do a 430, 435. Zine. So we not break the vibe, we not break the momentum. Yeah. You say 500 viewers and you show with the time slip. So I guess the people them really want to see the time slip.
Man. Time slip there, man.
Zine. So, now let me ask you this. Any plans of going to a standalone computer?
Yeah, soon.
No man, proper way. Yeah, me get scared you know. Or you come
Well,
like
guess
you
what?
not roll out back. Or you come
We
like you
not,
not roll out back normal, so.
no, we no plan to roll out back normal. We no plan to roll out back normal. You see me? Yeah, cause
Why?
me like the competition. Me is a man, me no crack under pressure. Yeah.
Alright.
We like
Let
the
me ask you this.
competition.
See? Let me ask you this. What if Varsity wants to give you a nitrous run? Suppose Varsity say, yo, me not take off my nitrous for please nobody, you know.
Buckle
Zane?
there, man.
What you
Buckle
say,
there.
man?
So if a buckle party, a buckle party.
You serious?
Yeah. Him not have to
So,
take off him buckle, man.
even have to take off it.
We know how to reach film speed. Remember say I said me a running a man. And me said already I perform faster with the stock computer. So just imagine when we put on a program pan and tune on. No last in our system, man. Search your network like digital.
Alright. So you're making it, you're clearing the ear tonight that the next time you and Bossy D line up, whether it be qualifying, whether it be if you just sit Bossy D just say I go test out something on the track.
Ready, man.
You're ready.
Ready. Ready long time, man. Ready long time.
You know, let me tell you something proper way. Yes, yesterday the story about the underdog is always a nice story, you know. Cause you see when a man underrate a certain way.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. At the best time for launch attack, you know.
A real talk, man. Real talk.
You know, see. But right now, me can see you on farm. You know, I mean,
Machine
you're still.
Man. Machine
yeah,
hot.
because sometime in the sometime in the past recently.
Yeah.
I believe you kind of drape up 2 VVLs. I believe.
Couple of them well, man. Right now,
Okay.
me I hear say me need to put VVL kill up on the machine.
What?
We kill anything we come across right now we feel like say the inner the league are a little bit better than his head.
So whether Nissan, whether Toyota, anything
come across we want put up a fight already. Yeah.
Hey, proper way. You know, say from your mention say you go nitrous, you know. You know, say me realize say Jay get silent.
Jay a coward man. He say coward man keeps on. You know, say him say me fi go run 12 seconds before me can run him. Go feel 12-second breeze. And me I tell him say right now you running so long. Look how long you run 12 seconds. Right now, about 3 years ago you run 12 seconds. And the fastest breeze Jay feel on that under car front are the breeze and the dyno fan. So right now you can't go back down the sun.
Proper, see a man in a chat room, I said, Dada, you know, it look like it's a Nissan man. A man named Dane Smith.
Why, Dave?
Dane Smith.
Him have a VVL set up, you know. And me can't wait him done, you know, because female that go bust like gas pan, you know. Yeah, man.
So all in me a call out?
Yeah, man, because all of them are run them out, you know. So we want to show them what time it is. You see me? Yeah.
Why?
We want to show them what time it is. Because man, them even underestimate the machine that's one of the time man, them send out the 13-second champion. That are the Nissan will win out the 13-second class. So them say proper car run on a 13-1 car in a run that a lime tell. And the man then send out here and I'm there on the street and track tire and the man come out fully race prep and in slicks and everything. I'm not back down. Kick out into them. Because the problem that I had with my car why I didn't run at the time. The pressure plate couldn't hold up the slicks. Because I run stock pressure plate and stock clutch. So I decided to upgrade the pressure plate. And I put in a stage 2 pressure plate in my car. And from I put in the pressure plate, when I'm a week second, nothing can stay on the dashboard. Everything
proper way. There's a talk on the drag racing scene that your target practice. Right?
You know why? You know why that? Because I'm not afraid to run with nothing. I run anything we come across. So do you what now? My car is a good running car. and basically my car is in the spotlight.
Mm-hmm.
So everybody will do a little setup right now. If they want a little spotlight, they go want to run against my car. So if they can beat my car, then them car is recognized.
So are you at the marker right now? Hold on, proper way. You know, say you beat Bossy the record though. I wonder if that go on for race day.
But we beat in time at track and we beat it on this. So I just say it go.
Right now, are you have the record for the most viewers, you know?
Right now, I tell him already, you know. I say him there track long time I run. But bear in mind, you have tree where old and tree grow come catch back tree and bear better fruit and tree. So me just want to know that. Don't underestimate nobody.
Mm-hmm,
you understand? Mm-hmm. And not because him never run the time with Theme Z. Remember, him already convinced everybody say Z now feel for speed. So if a man come there with a Z and run a faster time at him, don't disbelieve it. Because him don't tell us Z them bad. And my Z is a low mileage Z, you know.
Proper way.
A high mileage thing.
You know, me have to big up your sponsor, you know. Your sponsor just message me, you know. And I'm going to tell you what your sponsor say about me. Hey, I big up your sponsor still.
That, you know. Big up yourself, Glenn.
It's good to know, say your sponsor tune in, you know.
No slow car come from Glen Auto Part. Although Bossy D say my one of the slowest, but we are going to show him how we make boy teeth fly. Very high. Yeah, man.
So you say low mileage Z.
So anybody want a 2ZZ to buy? So like what? Right now, Easter win or Easter done?
I don't even know which power they know, but I think it gone.
Yeah, it gone.
Yeah.
But when you're buying 2ZZ, make sure it's Glen Auto because you have the low mileage Z from Japanese, you see. Yeah.
Jesus.
So anybody want it? Yeah.
On the spot.
So we are giving the Easter style, you understand? Yeah. Easter done, so you don't have to buy no Easter bun. Yeah.
Hey, proper way. You know, say people that really want to see time slip though. 468 viewers, I see a while ago now.
Right now, big up 876 Street live. Yeah.
Oh yeah, man. Big up, bro. Big up.
Me try to call a number and me couldn't left off 876, else the call can't go through. So just look into it.
It can't go through.
It can't go through.
Straight.
Yeah, it can't go through.
Hey, you know, say on a serious note, you see, you and Bossy D, yo, on a personality bridging, yo, on a two sample man, you know.
A real thing that, man. I'm a general,
right?
Away, you know. I'm a general, but me I kick out in.
I'm showing you something. You see, you and Bossy D is a perfect example for sure the fans them.
Ethan, big up
you're
yourself.
Not a fair run.
RR.
Eh?
Yeah. TJ,
yeah,
big up
you're
yourself.
Bossy D, you know.
Yeah, man. EKJ, easy. Time bomb. Wait, the boss check in. Yeah, man. Big up all out. Hey, big up Sunset, you know. Sunset introduced me to you all 16, you know. He said, proper way that car rev girl on 9,000. 9,000 when me a rev them the car, them rev them go high. Me kill every string up a Orange Park back in ideas. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Hey, let me tell you something. You and Bossy D is a perfect example. Say a man if you run 9s and 10s, if you have competitive racing.
True, man.
Yo, believe me, man. Me afraid say yo, big up to. I mean, me respect every racer, I know. But you see, for that little rivalry what me see I go on between you and him right now.
Yeah.
Trust me. Me know say everybody at the pan them eyelash the next meet. Cause them don't want to miss the race, you know.
Yeah, man.
Zine, but me have two questions for you before me allow persons to ask your questions.
Yeah.
Right? My two questions is, one of them is, what would be your reaction if you beat Bossy D?
What would be my reaction? Mission accomplished, man.
Mission accomplished.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Mission accomplished, man. Because at the end of the day, him not think for my machine is as hot as speed machine. You understand? I mean, I show him say, low mileage engine, man. Wonders and sign it to work, man. And the driver, trust me. Right now, I'm a friend Red Straight, so right now, the man them Z might have bad, but them have to make sure say them can slip through the gearbox like the Haye like proper way. Because proper way come like the Haye, them will slip through the gear them. When we are
him say
connected
so,
gear them.
you know me the voice note, then I wonder who say so.
A red square man. Yeah, man. A red square man. Come here, have theme teeth, them, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah, right, and you look like you have everybody teeth proper.
Yeah, man. Me pull out red square teeth, man. Me have theme teeth, them put them.
Watch this now. What if, here's the other spin on the scenario now, no?
Yeah.
What if Bossy D beat you?
Then I say go, man. A race, you know. We go back at it again. You understand?
At it
Because,
again.
you see, what I want a lot of racers to know. You see, the
Yeah.
race where you win, you don't win that already. Nobody pay too much attention to the race where you win. You see, the race where you lose, that you pay attention to. And find out what make you lose so you know how to go back. Yeah.
See.
Yeah.
Proper way.
The race where you lose is more important than the race where you win. Because anything you achieve already, you don't have that already. Nobody can take that from you.
True.
How
you get the name proper way though, proper way?
Well, the proper way name they know, you see, because me the man always try to keep me thing them neat and, you know, from back in the days, everything when me have, man, it have to slick.
Okay.
Yeah, me always keep the thing them neat and keep them proper. Do me look design and stuff on me carry them and thing, you know?
Neat.
Yeah. So
I'm under say, yo, a proper way, you know?
Yeah, man. And me just add the rest side to it, you know?
Okay.
Then start calling me proper way and me just say, yo, when I drop a night, drop a day, have a girl them a lean back and rock away. You see me? Yeah, man.
Hey, proper way. If I ain't racing, you know, you could have got turn on DJ, though.
You don't know, you know. That's how you think set for a while, you know. Yeah,
man. Trust me. All right, watch out now. We're going to give some people a few minutes to ask some questions.
Yeah.
And please, you know, we'll ask persons asking the questions, you know, just keep it on a level, please. We don't really want to block anybody because I know no rude comment or whatever. Please. Yeah, son. Keep the vibe same, you know, but you know,
man.
Anyway, run some questions up, peeps, make we can find out what proper way I say. So proper way, like how Bossy D name Z Boss, see?
Yeah.
What gonna be your title?
You know, say for right now still a proper Z them a call me.
Blow up.
Yeah, man. A proper Z them a call me. Even though I say, yo, me have a common Z, because Bossy D claims him have a capital Z. And I say right now, capital letters only use at the start, so you not finish. Common Z finish it. You understand?
All right. Madian is asking if your fuel system is stuck or upgraded.
Fuel system in terms of gas pump, yeah, I have a 250 DW pump in the car at the moment.
All right. Creative Windows and Doors is asking who is the biggest rival?
Right now, we don't really have no special person as biggest rival. We just run anything where decide to put up a fight. Yeah.
Okay.
We don't really have no biggest rival at the moment.
All right.
Even though Bossy D the panelist, you know, we wouldn't call it biggest rival because me and him never really there in a one class. We say, yo, he kick me out of the class or whatever I mean. Because me hear tell you the other day, say, yo, he kick out my teeth and rare. But from me putting Z, me and Bossy D never line up.
No, man, I think from before that.
Maybe I 16 him talk about. Yeah.
So all right. You know, personally though, I think a Bossy D would be a biggest rival because phone war is a different kind of war, no?
Well, me have some little Chihuahua there around him a back.
Chihuahua? Yeah. Who them they know?
Sanchez and one little one named Frisky, man. The first time, hey, all right. You see, in a November, me take home the 14 second class. December, I went back down there and say, all right, now try to take it home again. And the car break out and run a time of 13.6. And when Frisky here, he run go to Bossy D. He say, Bossy D, he say, Papa, we just run 13.6. Yeah, my management, man. Varsity said, boy, he said, I start computer the pony, you know.
Yeah.
He said, so I think Karen, so. Yeah, man. You look at Chihuahua. So they start fret from the car, start go down in a time.
So tell me something now. You think you would have called Jay one and look at Chihuahua them too?
Jay worse than Chihuahua, man. Jay worse than Chihuahua, man.
All right, back to the question, them now. All right, I see I'm gonna ask about a video where they circulate some time ago with a reverse launch.
Oh, well, here we go now.
Yeah.
Basically, that video there wasn't. Yeah, you see what they say? Me I try to follow Varsity, run back here and no, I never that not go on. I mean, no, Markland supposed to be on live, Miggy supposed to be on live. All of them that was present at the garage. No, that day, that wasn't the case. So basically, I come on there because them did do some cooking and thing. And when I come on there, Miggy said to me, say, yo, proper way you want, give me sit now. So me actually drive in the garage already. And I say, yo, what you mean give something? And I say, yo, bus a burn out. I say, yo, a street and truck tell me van, you know. And my car not really burn out. Who can go? You see me? So I say, yo, give you a little thing, man. And I say, all right, me can launch the car and you can make a video. So by the time I reverse the car now, back up the road for launch, the traffic did there. So me I focus on the traffic and decide say I now move the car, thinking the car come out of reverse because it's a 6 forward box, you know. So the reverse and the first, they close. So if anybody are in a 6 forward box, them know what I want. So the reverse and the first basically the same place. So when me are prepping at the mirror, because me the right in the corner, so me are prepping at the mirror for move now. And say yes, the car in a first. When we come off of the clutch and press gas, the car go back way. And me go to Bam and dry it out. And go to Bam and say yes, first then now and put rep and he jump back way. And I say, no man, what this? So me just drive off. So Miggy when I video it at the time and when me drive off and go down the road now and come back up. So when I come back up the road now, me go up the road, go turn, me go around a Porter Diner and come back around. And stop you up on the hill that you see the same place where you see the car when I reverse. Me stop it right up there so now. And when me launch it, and everything perfect. It went too slow to catch out the phone, so you never catch that.
Oh, so you come back and redeem yourself?
Yeah, me come back and do what I do. So me really reverse and burn out and no, me need to do a bossy I do. So I'm him now. So no man, proper way you can't do that. You don't give me a video. Give me a video, man. So by the time the video started circulate, it was a pleasure for EKJ to start turn the video into some comedian thing with this, you know? And the video went viral right then and there.
Yo, that video they go viral with you.
A true man.
Well, yo, man,
so that was the whole thing. So it wasn't no launch like what Varsity are doing, you know? Yeah, that wasn't the case. That wasn't the case.
Hey, one thing I can tell you, only you alone could have pulled off that and play it off so neat in a region. May I tell you, know?
Yeah, man. Because
only
if you
alone,
watch the video, you can see how much traffic I come. So me I watch the traffic and me about for land. So me just get a bit distracted and that's what happened. You know what I mean?
Well, I only hope that when the line up beside the Z boss, you know.
That can happen. That
don't happen.
That will never happen. Yeah, man, that not gonna happen, man.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, so man. Peeps, back in the for the questions now. I just want to say a big shout out to tonight's sponsors for making this live possible. Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, Lubit Limited, WAP Performance, Squickly Wrecking and Haulage, Boostain, Zidach Performance, Massive Auto Parts, and Kaizen Wrecking. I also want to give a special shout out, big up Toda for sponsoring some mobile credit giveaways. We still have some more credit can give away tonight. And I also want to say big up to BT Max Power for sponsoring Proper Way tonight so that he can be on the live with some mobile credit. Right? All right. So back to the comments now. Anybody, any question for Proper Way before we wrap up? All right. So Proper Way,
Yeah.
I realize the comment them go up to 480 one at a time, you know. Yeah, but preps them on the thing or it have to go 500.
No, you don't have to go 500, man. You don't have to go 500.
Okay, so bust the youths them pan
yeah, man,
the time slip.
It times it there, man. They don't have to worry about that, man.
I
need to prove it, you know. Yeah. Need to prove it.
All along the money make it look like it.
Clear up one little thing, yeah. So anyway, you know, with this time slip, hold on there. Because my Sunday I ready long time, you know. See
yeah. Big up the boss.
And, you know. I'm ready, you know. Yeah. So anyway, I could clear up a little thing now. You see, with the time slip thing, whether the time slip send or don't send, here we go on. Them are going to say time, right? So then still I go want me go a track go prove it. So you can't run it back. And as I say, if me can't go a track like before all of this thing clear up, to go run back when it start ECU, them if they don't want to believe in at the time, them have to go just watch a crime.
All right.
Because it's not normal, you know. It think they're on the next level.
Me see that. So, I watch you now.
Because me sending in a time slip now with the 13.6, right, which is on stock ECU. So them can't fight the time slip there, you know, because them see it. Varsity, you know, best time on stock computer, 13.8. And I go tell lie now. Say him run 13.6 long time on stock computer. Because guess what? The 13.6 time slip is out there. And it erased his record that he previously said on stock computer. So basically right there, so it's like once you pass him have a problem. So you see through the 13 one time slip now come up.
Yeah.
And it then the it so. And through the 13 time slip is out there. Him saying run the time too. So him just don't want to see an next Z coming a faster time than him.
So that's the problem there.
That is the problem. Can I come down there on stock computer and I run a faster time than what him said. His best time is 13.8. And make we play the thing now so everybody can hear it. Play the first one. Carry it yourself. Carry it up yourself. This was before. Hold on there. This was
before, not too long proper.
Well, no, not long.
All right, cool.
This was before I went to track with my Z. I asked him what was his best time on stock computer. Listen me asking him the question.
This is stock computer gear what? 13.7. Your stock computer when gear with slicks. Yeah, I read it. Where's your best time on the stock computer with your slicks then?
Hey, you know, so that same voice note thing and why cartel is part in there though. Hey,
listen here.
13.8, 13.9, stock computer give it.
Okay.
That's when we strip it on, you know, and the power sticks. So I say, when we put the interior and everything, we run 14.5, 14.6, 14.5. Yeah. That's a fully interior power street tire, and when we strip it down, put on line to go power slicks. With 13.9, 13.8, 14.0 on stock computer. Proper with the engine and I'm back for speed, you know, boss. They love speed, you know. I have to just give them what they want, you know exactly they want, you know. Yeah, man. You know, it's a mad thing, you see me?
See it? So, because my car did a fast that's the problem. So even if them out tell me say the timing machine not work, my 13.1 is wrong, in time already erased.
What are the proper way? Yo, hey, you're full of files, you know, man. Me the man that said Jay full of files, you know, but you want me, you just prove it.
Yeah, man.
You understand? Right now, no man can
Seymour, big up
approach and
yourself, you know.
prove it.
Big up yourself, Seymour. Yes, General.
Alright, you want now. I'm going to do a credit giveaway right now. Right now, the thing get to one way.
Yeah.
Right? So a digital credit giveaway, peeps. So enter your star 121, right? All right. So here are the numbers now. And I'm going to ask the person, whoever wins this credit, just let us know in the comments. Yeah, so we can discard and move on. All right, please. So here are the numbers: 70, 76, 837, 49, 2457. And that's a $200 mobile credit. Thanks to Toda, right? Big up Toda again, Slim Tune, for sponsoring that Digicel mobile credit. All right, so I see one person say them win it, but I'm not sure if them serious. But if you win it, people, well, congratulations. Yeah, so that's a $200 mobile credit. Thanks to Toda. All right, so we're pretty much at we're pretty much at the end of this live streaming of peeps. But I'm going to take 3 more questions, right? 3 more questions from the comments. So you know we have a few more minutes left. But proper way, you're serious still with them voice note then, Virgin?
Well, at the end of the day now, him say me lie.
Yeah.
So me just a try to show you who lie. You understand?
No.
The man make me look, hey, me listen to what I tell you. And he come like all of the rival they we have. I not him rival no more. I just me. And when you question him, remember what I tell about L-boy, I say, Bossy D. Just relax yourself, man. No focus on RR, man. Me a come down there, I show you what time it is. And then time there, him a say, yo, just make sure you no bucket tour, you know. You see you're big and fat. If you bucket tour, you get up, you know. Yeah, man.
All right, proper.
Boy come down, they can run 14s and not spread the room about in run 12 seconds. How we, man? 2 ZZ in a light chassis.
You know, I want different topics that you know proper.
Hey man,
because
and nobody no see if in time slip. What make you not prove it?
So L-boy can't prove it either. L-boy can't prove it. Lord have mercy.
In dream for run 12s. Come like him a dream. Better wake up.
All right.
And I make the island I said, wake up.
Let's take this question. Yeah. What's the next upgrade you have planned for the car?
Well, my sponsor said to me, say, the thing I get serious. So, anything more want on it, whether nitrous or boost. So, 2 options. So, I look out for it. I'm not telling you which one I come with, but look out for it. Yeah.
Are both enough to be either? It can be both.
Lord.
Massa.
Yeah.
So basically your sponsor is not going to stay there and watch another car.
No.
You know, win you.
No.
All right.
Are we say go hard or go home?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. Question in the comments. Somebody asked how much power you make proper.
180 horsepower, 159 foot-pound attack. I may have the dynograph too, so we can send that and prove it. Them say they never see no Z make so much torque yet. See me? But me have a dynograph can prove it.
Okay. All right. Peeps in the comments, we can take 2 more questions before we wrap up. So,
easy,
trust me, I never.
Me see how to prove it. Don't worry yourself, man. Big knowledge about yourself, you know. Yeah, man.
All right. Yeah, so it look like the people them run out of question proper way. Cause me not see nobody. Everybody just have to prove it. Me not see no question.
Tell you what they want, man. What they want? Time slip?
Yeah.
But wait, time slip then, boy.
Hold on. That's the last thing I go show them, man.
All right.
I could take one more question. Make that be the last thing at your show.
Wait.
Right?
Get in your hand. Just have it in hand.
Seymour is asking which dyno you did
Porter.
You did, okay.
Porter dyno. And next information, Bossy D came there with his car and he dynoed it on stock computer. And his car made 183 on stock computer. My car made 180. I made 2 pulls on the dyno. First pull, 177. Next pull was 180. Yeah.
All right. Somebody asking if you do race with Brem.
If me and Brem race?
No, if you would race him.
One thing coming on my lane, man. What you say, man? From teeth to kick out, from me can kick you out, me I kick you out, man.
No, you're not partial, nothing.
No, we're not partial. Anything anything come across already.
All right. Kara is asking which final drive you're running.
All right, me I run a complete 2ZZ swap. The 6 forward box that comes with the 2ZZ, that's what on the car. So okay. I'm running a 2ZZ GE, the whole complete setup. Fully axles, everything. Bossy D is running 2ZZ with a 20 valve box, 20 valve axle. So them cannot expect the same result from Fidem Z like my Z. And Bossy D basically was running an automatic computer. I'm running on a manual computer that came with my car.
Oh.
So my engine came with a manual computer. He was running on an automatic computer. And he now run the Z box. He now running 20 valve box. When he used to run for him black top from back in the days when play around with. You understand? And he run
so you're saying
he run lightning flywheel, lightning pulley wheel for me Z stock. Me not touch nothing funny.
So you're saying that because you're saying that because you run the full 2ZZ setup. That is why setup. That's why you're getting that result.
Not only that, comes down to the driving. Comes down to the driving. You have to know how to shift. You have to know your car. It's like you go out to sell a product. You can't sell a product if you don't know the product. So you have to know your car. And if you watch the videos them that at the Jam West, you can listen to me gear them just are going like an automatic. Yeah. So you have to shift within the power band.
Bossy D, boy, you and Bossy D have a shift in pot still,
Yeah, man. Bossy D can shift. Nah, bro.
Yeah, man.
He can shift. Nah, go
yeah.
in the corner.
See.
Yeah, he can shift. He can do his thing. But the thing is with him now, him not competitive. Him a red light boss. Bossy D live at the track and every time he out there in red light. Sanchez
what kind of boss I call Bossy D?
Red light boss. That's why him last. Yeah. He's a red light boss.
Yo, proper, so right now, it come like so we did at the end of the interview though.
Yeah, man.
So, if you want to show the peeps the time slip, it's up to you. You understand?
My boy. So I don't know how clear the camera is. If you can pick it up. See if you see it.
That's the 13 one.
Alright, so all who want to see the time slip. All who want to see the time slip.
The time slip here.
Who can see it, make proper way no. This is probably on the only chance to see the time slip,
See time slip.
The mysterious.
So all that who are on them out about time slip. The time slip is here. Because them say prove it.
And you're not afraid to show it.
I'm not afraid to prove it. You
Alright.
understand?
Alright, sir.
So me just want to know them see it. They want to see it again. See there?
Yeah, show them a second time.
Hold on, I want to put in a light and make sure. From me I see it from the video, them supposed to can see it. You see it?
Alright.
So, the time slip is there.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Well,
I want to take time out and big up my sponsor again, Yeah, man. Glenn's Auto Pass, Ocherius. Big up my wife in the UK. No, she asleep and one thing. But yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, big up my son, senior. Right, on the track. Him be there with me when I collect the trophy. Where trophy them, boy? Oh, you put the trophy so far. I make the Z-man in know, so they need a trophy. Them need a trophy every day. Them run up and down on the track night and day and they can't win a trophy.
Yo, all right. So watch this now, peeps. See that we're on the wrap up.
It's nice. See that?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Get a trophy, man. Time slip alone.
All right.
Time slip alone. I go fade away.
All right.
Fade
all right.
away.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Hey, Bossy D. See, Bossy D now commenting up. Bossy D, I said me no see it, you know.
You know,
why Bossy D?
Let me wait time slip. Let me show him the time slip. Hold on there.
As so much I go show them the time slip
Yeah,
properly.
man, yeah, sure. Then you know, so prove it. See time slip there.
All right, so. Yo,
Yeah.
trust me, proper. I have to say, yo, big up, you know, thanks for forward on the live tonight, and you know, boy, bring the vibe as usual on the track, off the track.
Hey, Bossy D have a bridge named Souden, and Souden can tell you when proper way up on the track and out there, Souden can bet any money you want bet. Cause proper way make them win the most money. See Ram now left online, ask him. I only said when he go out there, then can bet and say yes, a proper way race. Spaceship betting money upon a under and lose it. Yeah, man. You bet upon the under when we go up with the night final, man, and lose it. Pocket
All right, watch this now. Watch this now. I just want to say a big shout out to our sponsors for making this live series possible. Our 876 Streets Instagram Live possible. Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, Lubit Limited, WAP Performance, Squickly Wrecking and Haulage, Boosting, Zidaj Performance, Massive Auto Parts, and Kaizen Wrecking. All right, proper way.
Yeah.
You know, I'm going to give you the last word though, because you don't know, so wanna drop a night, drop a win?
Drop a day.
All right, so I'm going to give you the last word. So peeps, remember for a repeat of this live stream, it will be uploaded to our YouTube channel.
Proper
yeah, man. So
yeah, we take it to them, you know? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. And for persons who missed Bossy D's interview on Friday, it will be on our YouTube channel at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. So if you want to go back and watch.
Big up. CM Speed.
Yeah.
Race and Unity, big up. Yeah.
Yeah, man. All right, so Mr. Properway, take it away.
Yeah, man. Well, you don't know. We name Properway and we say when I drop a night, drop a day. I go have some niggas teeth that lean back and rock away. So when you need a 2ZZ, make sure it's Glen Auto because he give you low mileage Z, fresh from Japanese, up to the time. Next thing we're going to go up to the crime. 876 Street, big up. And big up all of the sponsors them, big up all of the fans them. See me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Straight. Big up peeps, thanks for tuning in. See you guys again tomorrow and for the rest of the week and for the rest of the month. You don't know.
Yeah, man, I want to take time out to big up Kevin, you know. 4 days card. When me running 16, you know. Yeah, man, a whole heap of specs from Kevin with the 4 days card. Yeah, man. All 2 exhausts, cam and thing, you know.
Yeah.
Kevin, big up yourself.
Straight.
Escort boss.
Straight.
Yeah, man.
Proper. One love and keep safe, everybody. Please keep safe. Remember, we really want to get over this COVID-19 thing so we can see the race between Properway and Bossy D, you know. See? So everybody keep safe. One love. Peace out. 876 Streets.
Yeah, man. Bless up yourself, Kejan.
One love. Respect Properway.
Cool.
Money that I don't